Every day, the earth is shaken by hundreds of small earthquakes. Most go unnoticed. They usually occur along the boundaries of the thin plates that cover the earth's surface like eggshells called tectonic plates. Driven by the heat deep within the earth's core, the plates grind against each other on long lines called faults. When the plates find their motion block, stress builds up. Finally, the fault gives way and the released energy raises to the earth in the form of seismic waves, causing earthquakes. As mentioned earlier, earthquakes are caused by the interactions between plates. In the case of Trinidad and Tobago, earthquakes are caused by the interaction between the Caribbean plate and the South American plate, which meet at the Central Range Fault. The Central Range Fault is a fault that runs through the heart of Trinidad and Tobago, making the country highly susceptible to earthquakes. Furthermore, studies have found that this fault is capable of unleashing massive earthquakes similar to the 7.0 magnitude quake that devastated Port-au-Prince, Haiti. In the case of earthquakes, the majority of the damage is caused through a phenomenon called liquefaction, in which the strength and stiffness of a soil is reduced by earthquake shaking. In the case of liquefaction, there is a change in water pressure, and since water pressure affects how the soil particles interact with each other, in the case of an earthquake with the movement of pressure from low to high, the soil particles can readily move with respect to each other. When liquefaction occurs, the strength of the soil decreases, and therefore the ability of the soil deposit to support foundations for building and bridges is reduced. As liquefaction only occurs in saturated soils, its effects are most commonly observed in low-lying areas near bodies of water such as rivers, lakes, bays, and oceans.